If you want a shutter that's strong, neat, quiet, and works in almost any setting, meet the K25 Aluminium Roller Shutter from HVP. It's our most popular range for a reason. It's versatile, it looks smart, and it delivers dependable security without the bulk of steel. The K25 is an aluminium security roller shutter designed for a huge range of applications: commercial, office, and residential. Aluminium shutters have some big advantages. They're lightweight but strong, and they're smaller and more elegant than heavier steel shutters. They're quiet in operation, and they need very little maintenance. That's why the K25 is so widely specified. It fits real-world buildings perfectly, whether it's for business or home use. The reason the K25 is so widely specified is simple: it fits real-world buildings. It rolls up into a small box. This small roll-up box makes it ideal when you've got limited headroom. That's especially useful in places like bar bulkheads, counters, and tight internal spaces. Even in these environments, you still need proper security that looks great. And visually, it's clean and unobtrusive, which is why it's also a popular choice on residential premises. And you're not locked into one style. The K25 range is available in several configurations. Solid for maximum privacy and a clean, continuous finish across the whole opening. Punched to allow visibility and airflow through the shutter, keeping your space ventilated and bright. Perforated, again, for visibility and airflow, with a different pattern and a unique aesthetic look. So whether you want a fully closed appearance or you want customers to still see displays behind the shutter, there's an option. Operation is flexible too. K25 shutters can be manually operated with a simple push-up, pull-down action. Or you can choose electric operation with an integral tubular motor plus a manual override facility for peace of mind. And where required, a safety brake can be fitted to comply with BSEN 13241. Safety is our priority. In fact, HVP's general policy is to fit a safety brake unless specified otherwise by the client. Security is straightforward and effective. We offer several locking options to suit your needs. Locking options include a bottom rail central key lock or guide pin locks for added physical security. And on electrically operated shutters, the system is generally self-locking for maximum convenience. So you get a shutter that's easy to use day to day, but still gives you that solid lockdown feel when you're closed. The K25 range is built for real projects, from shop fronts and offices to warehouses and homes. In terms of size, the K25 standard can be specified up to 4,000 mm wide by 5,000 mm high. Finish-wise, you've got practical standard options, and for the K25, you can specify a full range of RAL colors. This means your shutters can blend in with the architecture or stand out as a brand feature. Need higher security? There's also an insurance-approved version of the K25. It is independently tested to LPS 1175 Security Rating Classification 1, the gold standard for peace of mind. This gives you enhanced protection and the extra peace of mind you need for your business assets. Whether you choose solid, punched, or perforated, you're getting HVP's commitment to quality. If you'd like help choosing the right K25 option for your building, our team is ready to help. Get in touch with HVP Security Shutters on 01392 270 218 and we'll talk you through the best setup. Trust the experts in security. We look forward to working with you on your next project. HVP Security Shutters. Dependable protection, elegant design. Thank you for watching.